A week ago, we announced in our 10,000 subscribers celebration video a giveaway of the Eachine E58 drone. Well, it's time to announce the winner. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON. Now, in our 10,000 milestone subscriber video, we said that we'd be giving away a drone and we'll be choosing the winner in this video. But just before we do, if you love drones, racing quads, anything that flies, subscribe to this channel now. And also comment below with an idea on what you'd like to see us reviewing or talking about next. Anyway, let's choose that winner. I'm going to be using the random YouTube comment picker to choose the winner so that it's all fair, starting by entering the URL of the video into the field on the website. I'll enable the filter duplicate users option to avoid those sneaky monkeys that commented twice, thinking they'd have twice the chance to win. 237 viewers entered the competition in total, and so the odds of winning are pretty good. Let's hit that button. Good luck. And the winner is Southern Outlaw Drone Steve Harding. That's quite a YouTube name. Well done, mate, you've won yourself a drone. Get in touch with us by sending a message via our official Facebook page. We'll then give you a code to verify that it's you, and then your prize will be on its way. Thanks to everyone else that entered, and once again, thanks to everyone who has now helped us to 12,000 subscribers. What a jump. And for those that didn't win, the Eachine E58 is a great little training drone, and a link to it is in the video description, as well as a discount coupon for you. Have a great weekend, everyone, and thanks again.